Hello everyone, I'm Shruti Trivedi and I welcome you all to our channel Pharma Industry Academia Connect. I hope you all are happy and safe. So, in this today's video, we will be discussing about the 10 useful apps that probably will be helpful for pharmacy students. So friends, we all are well aware that world is going to be digital and digital technology is spreading their arms in every field. Especially in this pandemic era, the virtual learning environments are very trendy. So basically, we all have everything in our smartphone. So let's explore the power of smartphone in the field of pharmacy education. The first app is Medscape. This is one of the well-known leading online destination where you can get the latest information about FDA approvals, clinical informations and conferences. This app offers more than 8,000 drug, disease and safety informations. A part of this, Medscape have some special tools like calculators and interaction checkers. The second app is SIMS India. This is the most trusted drug and medical reference tool. Via this application, we can easily find out information of any drug like their classification, their brand name, their compositions and their interaction with a specific drug. This app also has some specific calculators like drug formulary and BMI, so we can calculate our body mass index too. This app also provides latest pharma news. The third application is Pharmacy Study Notes. Basically, this application is for the pharmacy students. Students can brush up their knowledge anytime, anywhere with the help of this application. From this application, you can read all the topics of B Pharmacy and D Pharmacy. Each subject contains unit-wise topics, questions, along with the neat and clean images, which is very important from the student point of view. The fourth app is Drug.com Medication Guide. Again, this is a very comprehensive, up-to-date data source of any drug information. This app provides independent data on 24,000 drugs. In this app, they have arranged the drugs in the alphabetically manner. So all you need to do, type the name of your drug in the search bar and you will get all the relevant information about the drug. You can ask your question and experts can solve your query too. Interaction checker are also available in this app, so you can check the drug-drug interaction between the drugs by using this app. Number 5th app is Medical Dictionary Offline. With the help of this application, we can easily find out the complex medical terminology. The best part of this application is we can use it offline. More than 4,000 medical terminology, abbreviations and phrases are available in this application. I think by using this application, we can easily understand the complex terminology. Number 6 app is Medical Books PDF. In this application, you can read medical books like pharmacology, biochemistry and biotechnology. Interface of this application is very user friendly, so you can download the book, and even if you didn't find your book, you can request your books. Number 7 app is Pharmacon Drug Classification. This platform provides you the classification of drug, their chemical nature, mechanism and the relevant information. So students can quick revise the classification of drugs anytime, anywhere. The number 8 app is Apocrates. This is the old and multinational application. In this application, you will get the complete information of any drug, like their pharmacological action, monograph, drug safety, drug interactions, and their brand names. Various types of calculators and converters are also available in this application, so you can calculate the dose of the drug and various medical equations. Picture Pharma quiz along with a case study are also available in this application. This app also offers up-to-date pharma news, so you can update yourself by using this application. The number 9th app is Researcher. This is the good application for M-Pharmacy students who are working on their thesis and the students who are looking for their projects. In this application, you will get the latest industry research papers straight to you every day. You can download the open access papers. Number 10th app is PharmaBuddy. In this application, you will get the semester-wise study material of B Pharmacy and D Pharmacy along with the question papers, MCQs and reference books. The interesting feature of this application is that you can ask for notes. I think every pharma student can stay updated with the latest pharma news and drug informations with the help of smartphone. They just need useful apps. I hope you find this video relevant. Please share and subscribe our channel Pharma Industry Academia Connect, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.